Virtual Consulting Office, the customer version, so that we see all the attributes that we have under the customer dashboard, and how a customer can make bookings and do some other important things on Virtual Consulting Office as a marketplace or a platform for consultants and instructors. So this is the landing page, virtualconsultingoffice.com, or you can say uh, VIRCOOF.com, VACUF.com. It will redirect you to the same thing. So if you don't want to type in virtualconsultingoffice.com, you can type in VACUF.com. And when you land on the page, there are different ways you can use it. And here, you have you can read about the site, what you need to know about it. This is about the site, how it works. These are the steps for customers and for experts. And this is a video, which is a comprehensive video for both the customers and the experts. But this is separately for customer. So this is the privacy policy, and this is the terms of use. So that is about this page. And now we have some other tab like posts. This is where you can see the posts that are initiated by the consultants. So if there are a lot of consultants, the moment they are making their post, so this is where you can read about it. And also we have login. That is if you have created your own account before, and you can join. And when you click on join, it will ask you whether you want to join as a customer or as an expert. Well, in this case, we'll be joining as a customer. And apart from that, you can click on explore. Explore will give you the opportunity to see uh, people or the consultants that are on the website. So, like this is Biohab. This is a copywriter, and it's also a teacher, an instructor. This is Para Family Foundation and Nova Media, and you see there are different consultants here. So this is where you can see it. Now, let's go back to. We can go back to the home page now, so that we start from there again. So this is the home page. Now you want to log in. That is if you have created an account. If you have not created an account, you have to click join, as I've stated earlier. Also, you can search through this place. For example, if I want to search for the name of one of the consultants or instructor, I will just type it here. For example, if I'm looking for, let's say, Joseph Archers. If I search, if the name is there, it will just take me to Joseph Archers. So it's telling me that Joseph Archers has two profiles here, as a mentor or and as a media consultant. So this is the way you can just search out someone, and you can as well, go uh, through this window, through this page. For example, if you want to consult with Joseph Archers, let's say you want Joseph Archers to do something for you in the space of a media consultation, all you just need to do is click here. So it's just like a quick way of getting in, even though you have not registered. So you'll be able to book the appointment. But at a point, before you'll be able to book an appointment successfully, it will ask you to register. So like here, let's do today is Monday, so tomorrow is Tuesday. So it's only Tuesday that is available right now because it is already 7:47 p.m. and it's working from 9 a.m. Uh, to 5 p.m. So for Joseph Achas, you can see the duration you can book: 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 60 minutes, 120 minutes. So it depends. And every consultant will have its own consultation fee. Um, or he may choose not to have anything. So it depends on the type of consulting that person is involved in. There are some consultants that would like to discuss with the customers first and know what they want before they bill the customers. And there are some, they have a ready-made um, uh, type of consulting. You know exactly what they do. If like seeing a doctor, if you want to book some of the doctors, you may need to pay. But in this case, it is free because you can take 30 minutes consultation. So here you can now say, okay, I want to see him or see her 9 a.m. on Tuesday. So you click 9 a.m. You have chosen 30 minutes here, and it's telling you that the consultation fee is zero. So you click here to continue. So at this point, it will tell you you have to log in. So that is coming back to this place. And if you are coming to this place also and you want to join as a customer, this is where it will bring you. Also, you see, come back to this page. You can see it's the same page. Though the other one is asking you, let's see the other one. It's asking you as if you have an account already. But if you don't have an account, you will still come back here and click join as a customer. So if you have an account, you just put in your email address and your password, and you log in, and you'll be able to complete that um, consultation booking. So in this case, um, I have an account which is a customer account, but for the purpose of uh, a new customer, I will just click on this place. So that means you are going to put your email address, you are going to put your first name, your last name, and your password. And you accept the terms of use and privacy policy. And also, you don't need to accept this one. It's not compulsory. I accept to receive occasional email from virtual consulting office. Of course, it is good so that you be. It's optional, but if you want to take it, the advantage is that you will have access to the information on time. Maybe if there's a latest development, you will have that access to that. So then you click on create account. So when you click on create account, it will take you back to where you are trying to book the appointment. But if I and it's telling you that it's putting it under customer. So you should always look at this top right hand and make sure it is on customer, because if you put it on expert, that's a different ball game. As an expert, you may not be able to see another consultant, because an expert is basically a consultant. So it's not consultant to consultant, but it's the customer or the client to the consultant. So that is exactly the way it works. So it has to be customer. So here I have a customer profile already, and all I would just need to do is to click login, and it will take me, and I check it again, it's on top of customer, and I put my email address. I think I have an email address I've used before, so I put my email address, and I will sign in into. I put my password, my login credential. So, and if you forget your password, just click on reset password. And you can also log in with your Facebook account if you have already registered and you have linked your Facebook page to um, your profile on VCO. And the good thing is that whenever you are making a post on your VCO account, your post will also appear on the Facebook page. So I will now click login. Oh, Let me see. It did not log me in. Let me try this again. Um, Let me see if it will go in. I don't know. Okay, so I can log in now. So I can now come to. I'm looking for Joseph Archers. Um, I can search it. Is if it's into some services and maybe you need to get informed, maybe sending out e-letter, you can subscribe to him, or you proceed to check out to make sure you do the booking. So, and this is the booking now. It's telling you this is the appointment, then you continue. So the booking is now done. So you can view your booking or you can go to home. So this is the booking. And if you click on view booking, you are seeing your booking that is booked for uh, uh, July 12th, 2021. And that's the time you book it. And the booking is from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. That means you have completed that booking. Now, if you are going to home from there, and you can schedule the appointment, that's on the if you want to schedule the appointment, where it says booking, you can reschedule appointment here if you want to adjust the time. So, and if you want to go to home, if you want to choose go to home from where you finished the booking. Sorry, I think I've moved so too fast. Okay, we have gone beyond this place. So anyway, um, that is how to do the booking. That is how to do the booking, and you can see that it's pretty easy. It's pretty simple. So that is how to deal in that. Uh, and we will now look at each of these dashboards. I mean, each of the items on the dashboard, or um, the tabs we have, and this is telling you what exactly you can do on VCO as a customer. You can view your bookings, which we have seen the other time. This is where you can check the upcoming bookings. This is the one we just did, 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Then, if you have done some past booking, you'll be able to see everything here. These are the past booking that this account has done. Now, ongoing, this is where you will see. Um, this is where you see the current booking. For example, if it by the time it is 9 a.m. on Tuesday, if you come to this place, you will see that this is ongoing, and the expert will be able to initiate the call from his own side, and you'll be able to receive the call, whether it is audio call or um, video call, or if it is a chat, you'll be able to see everything. And under bookings, we have three categories: all bookings, appointments, and instant. Now, this is appointments. By appointments, let's see what is bringing out. So this is the appointment we have, and you can check the appointment you have had in the time past under appointments. And if you want to check instant, it's loading ongoing booking. So you don't have any instant booking for now, and you may choose to chat, and from there you can initiate a call. For example, let's say you want to chat Joseph Archers, you can say I, and when you click that, it will go through. This is where you can initiate audio call. This is where you can initiate video call. For example, if you say video, if you click video, maybe we have discussed with the person before. You can see it's ringing. This is video. By the time the person picks the call, the video will be activated. You'll be able to see the face of the person if he puts on his camera. So the same thing, if you are doing audio call, it will trigger this way. But the difference between the audio and the video is for the video, by the time the person picks the call, the video will come up. And if you want to chat, you can chat as well. So you can do that. For example, if you have a consultation and you've been expecting the call, maybe you want to check if anything is wrong, you can chat here or initiate a call. So far, it's your slot. Not all the consultants will be angry about this. So that is it about uh, instant call, or if you want to initiate a call, you just come here where you have the chat button, and by the time you click it, you can see the category of uh, the consultants you have spoken to before or you have chatted with before, and you click any one of them, and from there you can initiate a call or send your message. So it's as easy as that. Now, if you have any session, this is where you can check it. Session is maybe there's a webinar. For example, the other time we went to post, when we check the post, let's say you check the post and you discover that there's a session you like to join. Well, let's say, for example, let me see if there's anyone that has any price. No, okay, we can't see anyone with any price. So let's say if you want to join this session and you have registered for it, uh, all you just need to do, to register for a session, you just go to the page of the consultant and you will see everything in there. If there's anything for you to register, um, let's say Joseph Archers, uh, let's see if he has any session. We cannot see any session here, but if he has a session, okay, let's click here. Um, we can't see any session. If he has a session, we can say, okay, we are going to book the session. And by the time you book the session will appear somewhere here or here, and you click it. And if you need to make payment, you make payment, and that is all. But if you don't need to make any payment, if it is free, you just click on it and you register. It will enroll you. So after that, you'll be able to see the session on your page. So you'll be able to see the session on your page. So all your session will be here if it is ongoing, if it is upcoming, and for the past sessions, just like we discussed when we were looking at these tabs under view booking. So the same thing is applicable under sessions. Um, so here is another one, which is the course. This is going to show you all the courses that you have registered for so far, and it will show you your progress. Like for this course, the owner of this account has done only 33.33%, and this is a course, and you can, if you want to do more about it, you just click on the course, and when you click on the course, if you want to take a quiz, you can take a quiz. If you want to view the course, um, text lessons. This is maybe these are the resources. Um, these are the resources. For example, these are the resources that are attached. If you want to download any of them, you can download any of them. So those are the courses you have registered for. And if you want to take a quiz, start your quiz. Um, For example, what should be considered the most critical in any task undertaken in the oil and gas industry? You have four options here: professionalism, knowing how to do measurement of works, safety, fitness. Let me choose this one. It's telling me that this is correct. So when you see the green button, it's telling you that is the correct answer. And if you choose a wrong answer, it will also tell you it won't be green this way. Okay, let's look at this example. What precipitated the security upgrade project in the Nigeria oil and gas industry? Passion for projects, making more money, corporate responsibility, piracy and kidnapping. If I take this one, let me choose the first one. Um, okay, So that means I can select more than one. Well, this one is not correct. And if you submit the quiz, I think you can see that I chose this one. I know this one is correct, but I'm very sure this one is not correct. And if you check the result, after you finish everything, you may submit the quiz. If you submit the quiz, it will tell you you scored 10%. That means you got only one correct, and nine are wrong. It took all those ones you didn't do as as wrong answers. But basically, when you are selecting, you may not know. Okay, and look at it now. It's telling you that safety is the correct answer. This is with the green button now. It's telling you that this one is wrong. This is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. So that's the way it works. You can see it is very interactive and it's very user friendly. So that is about your courses which you have subscribed to. Now for my packages, under my packages, if you, for example, my package is just like a wallet. For example, if a consultant is let's say maybe he has if you want to consult with a person or a particular doctor or a mentor for the whole year, the mentor can create a package from his own account, and it will tell you that for the whole year I'm going to charge you $500 or $1,000, and if you pay, if you buy that package, that means for the whole year you will have access to the doctor. That is the meaning. So that is your wallet. And anytime you want to see the doctor, let's say the rate for the doctor per hour is $100 or $20. All you just need to do is to go to your wallet, choose, and if he has a session, for example, if he's saying, okay, for my sessions, okay, I have 10 sessions in a year, and the whole session, the 10 sessions will be um, let's say 500 US dollars, and for consultations it will be another 500 US dollars. So putting everything as a package, everything is 1,000. So if you buy the 1,000, that means you have 1,000 in your wallet. So anytime you want to take any of the courses, for example, if there are 10 courses and you just need to take five, um, if you have excess five courses, you can just go to any of the course you want and deduct the money from your package. You click the session you want to do or the course you want to do, and while you are making payment, you just it will ask you the question: do you want to take the money out of your package, the package you bought, which is your like your wallet? Then when you click yes, it will deduct the money and you will see the balance. So that is what package is all about. Now for account is about more or less the management of your profile. Uh, and we have three different tab here. We have the profile info, we have the settings, we have the subscriptions. So here you just come here, profile info, and it will tell you this is your information, all the information you have um, under your profile info. So if you come again, um, you can choose settings. For example, let's say you want to change your yeah, you want to add more email address, you want to change your settings, generally you want to change your password, you want to delete your account, this is where you can do all those things, although it's not advisable that you delete your account anyway, so that you can continue using a virtual consultant office platform. And then this is subscriptions. You can see some consultants, they have subscription. For example, maybe they have some papers they generate or some write-up or some articles, and they may tell you, okay, you may need to subscribe so that you have access to it 30 days in a month. And if you buy the package, if you subscribe, they can tell you, if you subscribe, let's say $10, you will have access to the whole 30. Whereas if you are buying it one after the other, you may need to pay $2 per one. That means um, you will only be able to buy five uh, articles, which I mean, that would be equivalent of the amount you pay when you subscribe. And when you subscribe, you have access to all the papers that we publish throughout the month. So that is the advantage of subscription. You can never tell, you may have some of those consultants on the platform. And when you are under subscription, all you just need to do is to add your card. It will take your card, your you put all the information and you update the card. And the platform is well secured, and is linked to Stripe, which is a very strong payment gateway. So that is everything under account. You can see it is pretty easy, and is straightforward. And I believe you really enjoy this session. Thank you for joining, and we hope you will enjoy the platform. And if you have any question, please just let us know, and we attend to such questions. Thank you.